When the Bible says, do not be unequally yoked together with unbelievers, he's saying, don't join them in doing the evil things they do. Know that you cannot be together in an association. After all, some of you that are born again Christians, you are lawyers and you belong to NBA, Nigerian Bar Association. Among us, there are many people in different organizations. Some don't even believe in God, some do believe in devils, some don't believe in that, some don't believe in anything at all. It is a secular world. People believe or not believe. Some of you are in some market associations, market traders association. You are born again, but is it only born again that are in that market association? There are people in different things. So you have association of people. So when the Bible says, do not be unequally yoked together or come out from among them and be separate, it does not mean you don't associate with people, but don't join them in doing the evil things they do. So we were not properly educated in that aspect. So we left politics